Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Back to Basics review. We are going to be taking a close look at Back to Basics, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some awesome high value bonuses to ensure you get the best value out of Back to Basics. You are going to find the link to my bonus page right down in the description of this video. And with that being said, let's get straight into the review. I'll see you inside. Back to Basics launches on the 26th of July by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is an info training, and this is actually put together by Dawood Islam and also a couple of his students. And this actually shows you, or basically it's a collection of training that actually reveals to you how to do affiliate marketing in the most profitable way. So this is designed to help newbies. So if you are coming into affiliate marketing, you are basically not familiar with a lot of terms. You don't even understand how to drive traffic, how to get the highest conversions, and ultimately how to start making sales. This is something for you if you are in that category. And there's a lot of confusion that newbies usually get into when they want to start doing affiliate marketing, how to basically make sales, because basically that's what you want to do. You don't want to be stuck in that state of confusion for too long, because what that does is eventually makes you give up entirely on affiliate marketing. So that's what Back to Basics is all about. I'm going to show you the members area, and then you're going to have an idea of what to basically expect if you decide to purchase Back to Basics. So once again, you're going to find the link to this bonus page in the description of this video. Right now, I'm going to run through the bonuses I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with this. So this actually gives you access to training and also some resources to help you get started. But I'm giving you softwares that actually allow you to put what you are going to learn into practice in the most profitable way. So I'm going to be giving you access to my product. This was launched towards the end of last year, and this is a training and software. This software gives you access to done for you custom squeeze page templates. If you are doing affiliate marketing, what you want to ultimately do is to grab your leads. Even if you are going to send them through your affiliate link to affiliate offers, you still need to grab these leads. You need to grab their emails. So in case you have similar offers in the future, you can basically send out emails to these clients or to these leads. Now, this allows you to just slap in your affiliate link, and then you get access to your own custom squeeze page templates that you can use in any affiliate campaign. And also you get access to training that actually shows you how to make the easiest affiliate sales when we talk about doing affiliate promotions. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to an exclusive Facebook traffic hack. This is a training that actually shows you how to drive some high quality traffic from Facebook. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to be giving you access to a secret that I'm actually using and I still use every single day, where I'm going to be revealing to you in a video or in a series of video how to make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. You're going to find out how to do affiliate marketing in the most profitable way with 100% free traffic. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to a software that allows you to take advantage of established high authority YouTube channel. You are going to be able to drive traffic from these YouTube channels or from these high authority websites to your own affiliate offers. Now you can basically slap in your link, and this basically allows you to fetch high quality buyer traffic that gets you sales with with your affiliate promotions. So this is a software, and you're going to be getting access to the pro version that basically unlocks all the premium features and basically allows you to drive some unlimited traffic. So if you are doing affiliate marketing, you are starting from the scratch. One thing you would realize is you're going to need some authority in order to start getting those sales. But this allows you to take advantage of already established YouTube channels. You're going to be able to take advantage of this audience in order to get your own affiliate sales. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to my recently launched product that gives you access to done for you product reviews from ClickBank, where you don't even need to get approval, and also from some Warrior Plus products. Also, you're going to be getting access to done for you product reviews with your own affiliate links inside. Now, once you log in, all you need to do is first of all go and get your ClickBank ID, your ClickBank affiliate ID. You then go and add it to your profile on Octagon and then save, and then you are good to go. All these reviews now have your own affiliate links. Not only that, you're going to be getting access to training that shows you how to really make money online with affiliate marketing. You're also going to be getting access to done for you quiz pages, and then you are also going to be able to build your list right inside of this cloud-based software also. And you're getting access to the pro version that actually unlocks all the premium features of the cloud-based software. And also bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. And these bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Back to Basics. And all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons on this bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page of Back to Basics, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the training. So you see, internet marketing got you confused. It's time to go back to basics. So if you've done affiliate marketing for a while and you've basically not seen any results, you've probably been getting 0 commissions every single time, or you've probably made a few commissions here and there, but not really substantial and not really want what you want to be getting, then this is basically for you. You have the chance to basically remove all the confusion. So it's easy to follow, easy to follow steps to make money online. No tech skills needed whatsoever, no website or list needed. This is suitable for complete beginners. And even if you've never done that before, full video training provided and so much more. So you get access to information about the vendors right here on this sales page. And there's also a video from Dawood Islam, who is the major vendor of Back to Basics. And this is actually coming from someone who is actually practicing what he is preaching. There's proof of results right here on the sales page of Back to Basics. So feel free, come check this out in your own time to get full information about Back to Basics. Right now, I'm going to take you to the members area. There's going to be a welcome video from Dawood Islam. And also you find another welcome video from James and another one from Walter Cremas. So come check out the sales page, and also once you get access, this is what you are going to be presented with. And there's also going to be the overview of Back to Basics, also presentation right there by Dawood Islam. There's also going to be the main training section that shows you how to find affiliate offers, how to set up everything, and also most importantly, how to drive traffic from different high converting traffic sources. And it's actually for this reason that I suggest and I highly encourage you that you get access to your own copy of Back to Basics. You also get access to some resources that you are going to need to do affiliate marketing. You get access to conclusion, you get access to bonuses, and also you get access to some extra unadvertised bonuses and also the optional upgrades right there. So that's the members area of Back to Basics. Right now I'm going to show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades that come with Back to Basics. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $9.95, and this is pretty low. This is pretty cheap relative to what you are going to be getting, relative to the value you're going to be getting inside the members area of Back to Basics. And then the optional upgrades, the first optional upgrade is the Back to Basics Pro version that goes for $37. You'll be able to decline that and pick that up for $37. This is advanced basic techniques, including how to make videos without putting yourself on camera, just like I'm doing right now. Also, OTO number 2, that's the exclusive club that goes for $37. You can decline and pick that up for $17, and this allows you to put yourself ahead in the affiliate marketing game. You get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by Dawood, and you get a review copy of the product. I think this actually makes a lot of sense considering that it's not more than $37. You get a copy of the product and you also get guaranteed approval to promote. You will even get 100% commissions on the front end, and this is actually your opportunity to get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. The third optional upgrade is the reseller rights that goes for $37, and you can decline and pick it up for $17. And you get reseller rights to this, to Back to Basics. You can sell it as your own products and keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel. OTO number 4 is done for you weekly campaigns that goes for $97. You can decline and pick it up for $47, and you get access to 3 done for you campaigns sent to you every single week, and this includes done for you bonus pages with review videos, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. You need to have Commission Gorilla in order to be able to enjoy this. And also the final upgrade, OTO number 5, allows you to become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. This goes for $997 or $497 in 3 installmental payments. And this basically allows you to become a tester of the Elite Academy created by the vendor. And then you also get all the benefits, including guaranteed product launch with the vendor and passive income at least twice a month from his sales rotators. And then you'll be able to see the sales page for full details of that. So that's going to be my review for Back to Basics. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.